Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Money with Diana, where we break down money, investing, and finance into simple, powerful lessons anyone can understand. In today's video, we're diving into two essential financial concepts: future value, FV, and present value, PV. These are the tools that allow you to answer key questions like, how will my money grow in 10 years? How much is $10,000 in the future worth today? By the end of this episode, you'll not only understand these concepts, but also be able to calculate them using simple formulas. Let's jump in. What is future value? Definition. Future value, FV, tells you how much an amount of money today will be worth in the future if you invest it at a given interest rate. Formula. FV equals PV times 1 plus R to expected by T, where FV equals future value, what your money will become in the future, PV equals present value, your starting amount or investment, R equals annual interest rate in decimal form, so 6% becomes 0.06, T equals number of years your money will grow. Example, you invest $5,000 today at a 6% annual interest rate for 5 years. Let's break it down. PV equals 5,000, the amount you invest now. R equals 0.06 because 6% equals 6 to the power is 100 equals 0.06. T equals 5, which is years. Now plug the values into the formula. FV equals 5,000 times 1 plus 0.06 to the power 5. FV equals 5,000 times 1.3382 equals $6,691. So your investment grows to $6,691 in 5 years. That's the power of investing over time. What is present value? Definition. Present value, PV, is the current value of a sum of money you will receive or need in the future, discounted at a specific interest rate. Formula. PV equals FV divided by 1 plus R Tepeters carrot T, where PV equals present value, how much money you need to invest today. FV equals future value, your future goal. R equals annual interest rate, again as a decimal. T equals time in years. Example, you want to have $10,000 in 10 years, and you expect an annual return of 7%. How much should you invest today? FV equals $10,000, your goal. R equals 0.07, 7% annual return. T equals 10 years. Now plug it into the formula. PV equals 10,000 divided by 1 plus 0.07 Tepeters carrot 10. PV equals 10,000 divided by 1.07 Tepeters carrot. PV equals 10,000 divided by 1.9672 interest rate equals $5,083.49. So you only need to invest $5,083.49 today to have $10,000 in 10 years. Why this matters. Understanding present value and future value allows you to plan your investments effectively, make better decisions when saving for retirement, a house, or education, understand how much money you actually need today. This helps you avoid undersaving or overestimating your goals. Knowing how time affects money is a financial superpower. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using the wrong interest rate format. Remember, 5% equals 0.05. If you forget to convert, your results will be off. 2. Confusing time units. If your interest is annual, use years. If your rate is monthly, time should be in months. 3. Ignoring compounding frequency. Monthly versus annually compounded interest gives different results. 4. Not adjusting for inflation. Future dollars aren't worth the same as today's. Pro tip, always align your interest rate with your time frame. If you're calculating over months, Divide your annual rate by 12. Practice with Diana Scenario 1. You want to buy a car in 3 years that costs $20,000. You have $15,000 today. Will it be enough if your savings earn 5% annually? Let's calculate the future value. PV equals $15,000, R equals 0.055%, T equals 3. FV equals 15,000 times 1 plus 0.05, 3. FV equals 15,000 times 1.1576. Results, $17,364. You'll only have $17,364. Not enough. You need to either save more or earn a higher return. Scenario 2. How much do you need today to have $20,000 in 3 years at 5%? FV equals $20,000, R equals 0.055%, T equals 3. PV equals 20,000 times 1 plus 0.053. PV equals 20,000 times 1.1576. Results, $17,276. You'd need to invest at least $17,276 today. Recap and what's next. Future value shows you how much today's money grows over time. Present value tells you how much you need now to meet future goals. They are two essential tools for smart saving, investing, and financial planning. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Coming up next, we'll take a deeper look at the common mistakes to avoid when working with time value formulas. We'll go step by step through real examples and show you how to spot and correct those errors before they cost you money.